Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. So this video is regarding IIM Kashipur Business Analytics call. As you all know that calls out हो गए हैं I think 3 days or 4 days before, and जिनको भी calls आया है for the PI shortlist, a big congratulations to all of you. And I had been the part of the whole procedure last year for IIM Kashipur Business Analytics, and I was waitlisted at 68 last year. So let me tell you that I have the experience that how interviewers are gonna ask the questions. So if you have some doubts regarding how you should prepare for the interview and in order to convert your call, then you can reach out to me on my TopMate page and on my LinkedIn. And I'm been giving sessions to all the students who are preparing for IIT, IIMs and other B schools interview. So you can book a session with me on TopMate also for mock PI. And last year, uh, there is there was not even a single waitlist movement in most of the categories. So this is a good program. IIM काशीपुर का जो business analytics है, it comes under top 5 analytics course all over the India. After IIM Bangalore का बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स कोर्स, IIM कलकत्ता का, दैन इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ स्टैटिक्स खड़गपुर, और ये IIM कलकत्ता जो तीन कंबाइन करके दे रन PGD BA program. After that, IIT Dhanbad provides business analytics course, but in top 5, Kashipur is there, and there are good companies that are coming into the campus. Average is also around 18, 19 point something. So you can get a good ROI if you are seeing the fees structure of Kashipur Business Analytics. So that's all about this video. So if you have some doubts regarding how to prepare for the interview round and how you should proceed with that, you can connect with me on my TopMate and on my LinkedIn page. I am here to help you out. Last year also they asked questions on statistics and basic AI/ML questions, and they are asking probability distribution curves, joint probability, conditional probability, Bayes theorem. Okay, and in my interview also they give me a hypothetical managerial situation on how to use AI in fashion industry and all, something like that. They are also asking current affairs question that are relevant to business and economy of India, and also they are asking what is the location of Kashipur. So most of you are going to tell that Kashipur is in Uttarakhand, 20-30 kilometers from Jim Corbett Park and all, but you should go through this because this is not the correct answer. Okay, so that's why they are asking. So you should have knowledge about what is the location of Kashipur. Okay, Uttarakhand का chief minister कौन है, all the political aspects of that state, and from where you are belonging, उसकी भी आपको knowledge होनी चाहिए. Okay, one question that they asked me that how members of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are elected, and who is the second, or I think they asked me who is the third vice president of India. So presidents, vice presidents का जो एक proper आपको वो याद ही करना पड़ेगा कि स्टार्टिंग से लेके अब तक कौन कौन रहा है. देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू शुड गो थ्रू यूनियन बजट जो अभी लेटेस्ट आया है. यूनियन बजट का फार्मिंग एग्रीकल्चर में कितना क्या प्लान आया है स्ट्रक्चर वे में, एजुकेशन में कितना आया है. ओके, so these are all the questions that you should go through for your conversion of the interview. Okay, so that's all about this video. You can connect with me on my LinkedIn and TopMate. Thanks for watching.